Sounding the alarm in Lebanon, volunteers spent hours today installing 200 free smoke alarms inside homes across the area. The American Red Cross and Lebanon City Fire Department teaming up to share fire safety tips with families as well. Now, according to the Red Cross, 7 people die every day from house fires, and most of those deaths are among children and the elderly.
This is so important because having a working smoke alarm in your home increases your chance of survival by 50% for a home fire. You have just 2 minutes to escape your home if there is a fire, and having a working smoke alarm will increase your chances of survival from that.
The Central Pennsylvania chapter of the American Red Cross offers smoke alarm installations at any time. You just have to go online and fill out a request form. For more information and a link to that form, you can head to our website, fox43.com.